Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Region 1 Athletic Association para sa laban ng Batak at Ilocos Sur. And here's the jump ball, number 8 versus number 25. And first ball possession for Team Batak. And dribbling the ball, and long three, won't go off the mark. And it's Ilocos Sur ball possession. Here's number 8. Pass back to number 8. The ball movement. Sa gilid. Attacking the rim. Stop. Pass.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds shoot. Number 8. Sa 3. Bam! Rainbow shot. And it's number 8. Fires. Wala. Rebound. Put back. Oh! And saves the ball. Number 8. Didiskarte. Sa gilid.
And the shoot.
To number 8. Oh! And wala. Fires. No good. Number 13 sa 3. Bang! Bullseye! Number 8 sa long 3. Wala. Rebound number 29 for Team Batak. And here's number 13. Arabe straight to the basket. And won't go. And here's Team Ilocos Sur. And nag-sit all alone. Let's up. Easy basket. And for the inbound. And number 8 fakes. Fires. Basket is good. And 12 seconds to shoot. Looking for receiver. Hoop matatapikan. Number 11. Is there.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 11 sa 3. Bang! Bullseye!
50 seconds.
Nakuha ng kalamangan ng team Ilocos Sur. Matatapikan dito. Number 13, straight to the basket. Pinabitin pa, and basket is good. And Kings.
Second quarter.
Number 5. Sa 3. Bang! Rico. Number 16. Attacking the rim. Fire. Wala.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Just last. Oh, no, lays up. Easy basket. Number 15. To number 10. Cross pass. Big. Spins. Fire. Bow! The glass. Nice move. Kick out. Oh, sa 3. Bang! Bullseye! And it's number 5. Bounce pass na agaw. Oh, maagaw din. Binaga. Bounce pass number 13. Tumalaksak, wala pa rin. Lays up and basket is good. Oh, that's good. That's number 13 for the
30 seconds.
17 seconds matatapikan. Number 17, side step, reverse layup.
20 seconds.
20 seconds on the game clock. Lays up, wala. Number 8,
10 seconds.
far off the glass. That's good for two. Number 13, for 3, bang!
Rebounds. Number 13. Batak City.
Number 20, attacking the rim behind the back dribble. Hoop. Number 29, tumatake. Hoop, offensive foul for the inbound. Looking for receiver. Number 1, pull-up J. Too strong. Rebound for Team Batak. Nagmamadali ngayon dito. Si number 4, derecho. Wala. Rebound. Number 0, Cars. Rebound pa rin. Number 8, stop. Sa gilid sa 3. No good. Ang kasama ng agawan. Pinasa. Fire. Sena. Easy. 2 points. Atake. Side step. Kinaliwa. No good. Rebound. Number 8. Good side step fires. Wala. Put back shot. And pass good. Oh! And number 0. Step back for 2. Wala. Rebound. Pinilit. Pinaso pero papasok. Number 8. Crossover, nakalusot. Diretso sa basket and
2
good for
points.
2.
Number 8.
Fire off the glass and good for 2 again.
And to shoot.
Agaw. Pass break, number 0. Pinaliwa and good for 2. And here's for the inbound. Number 8.
10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock.
Sa 3. No good. And rebound for number 8. Agaw dito. At nagmamadali. Good pinasa kay number 1. And here's number 8 again.
Shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pinasa pa, haliw pass, and that's good for 2. Number 0 to number 13.
1 minute 20.
Nakalusot. Oh, libreng-libre. It's good for 2.
60 seconds.
60 seconds on the game clock.
$50 seconds. 10 on the shot clock.
Uy, nabitin. Put back and good for 2.
10 seconds.
Nakalusot, number 13. And here's Team Ilocos, number 10. Pass at the middle, magagawan dito. Side step. Good, matatapikan. Titira, put back and good for 2. And here's Team Ilocos. And down to 6 ang Kalamangan, mga idol. Sa 3, no good. Rebound, number 4, matatapikan dito, recover. Binasa, oop, saktong-sakto, and down to 2 ang Kalamangan.
44 minutes.
And 32 to 34 ang score, mga idol. Bounce pass sa gilid, wild open for 3. Wala. Rebound na naman. Oh. Number 10 fires. Wala. Rebound.
Out.
Bong pass. Maagawan dito. Back to 6 ang Kalamangan ng Team Ilocos. Sa gitna. Diretso lays up. Oh, good for 2.
2 points.
Down to 4
Number
again ang Kalamangan ng Ilocos Sur.
36-32. Ilocos Sur.
Bakaldag, pass to the middle, hook shot, good for 2. Pass in there, oh, reverse layup and basket is good. Number 8. Atake. Kick out. Number 17, open for 3. Wala. Rebound, put back shot, and the lucky bounce.
10 seconds to shoot.
Trying to shoot. Nakalusot pa. Nakapikan. Nag-iisa. Oh! Buta pa! Supalpal mga idol. Team Batak mga idol.
4 minutes.
And 4 minutes on the game clock. At lamidal na kapikan. Nauna na. Pinasa ang gandang pasa. The connection. Naghihiyawan na po. Number 0 is there. Side step. Nakalusot. Basket for 2. And down to 1. Sa gitna. Number 29.
Third team foul.
Sa gitna. Pinasa. Porter. Wala. And it's number 8. Fourth name, Ilocos Tour.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Nakatikan.
5 to shoot.
And
Three.
number 8.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 8. Tumira at Lumanga. Shoot at break. Tao na. Basket's good. And here's Team Batak. And again, Ilocos Tour up by 3. Now holding the ball. Atake, side step, mabibitawan ng bola. Now, Gawan. Pinulot ang bola. Shoot number 4. Pass inside, saktong-sakto yung pasa. And down to 1 again, ang kalamangan mga idol. 41-42.
And last 2 minutes.
Minutes, number 8. Wala. Shoot back, basket and 1. And it's number 13 for Team Batak. Pull up J. No good. Rebound, number 11. Patres. Wala. Patres ngayon. Halip pass. And basket is good. Patres. Traveling. And for the inbound, number 10. Root na kapikan.
20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Oh!
5 seconds.
And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Ilocos Sur.